Welcome to the SIP Well edition. See what I did there? For SIP Niagara, I'm Jeremy Parsons, and today we're going to be pairing up 3 healthy little canapes with well hibiscus lemonade. And as always, I like to start off with a drink. This is so refreshing and so clean, it pairs up with virtually everything. So this is perfect to get the taste buds started, and let's get these healthy canapes out there. Beautiful. Okay, first one. I've got some pistachios in a bowl and some chopped up baby shrimp. So I'm gonna add these two together, and then I'm gonna add in some vegan cream cheese. So I gotta tell you, I'm not vegan, but I was doing a catering gig and everybody was vegan. And I found this amazing cream cheese that I'm gonna tell you, you would never, ever know. The consistency is awesome and it just blends so well with food. So I'm adding in about 6 ounces of cream cheese. It is delicious. And then I'm gonna add in some apple. So if you think about this, we've got apple, baby shrimp, cream cheese. So we've got sweet and fresh flavors together with a little bit of saltiness. And then of course the creaminess of the cream cheese. Now, we're also gonna be adding in a little bit of Mojo pepper sauce. And this is a beautiful pineapple-based hot sauce, just to give it a little bit of kick. So I'm just chopping up about 1/4 of an apple here, and we wanna keep the skin on there as well. Now, of course, you may be asking, I don't need to see you chopping up apples here. Well, I don't want it to turn yellow, and I want to show you exactly how fast you can get this canapé together. So just chop it all up, and you want all different sizes as well, so you get some great texture. And we're going to spread this over some crackers, and of course you can do gluten-free, you can do whatever. I'm actually using a nice little flatbread with poppy seeds, and I'm just going to add this all together into the bowl, like so. Get my Mojo pepper sauce. So I'm just gonna add in, I like the spice, so I've got a good tablespoon in there. And I'm just gonna blend that up with my spoon, put a little apple in them, and then we're gonna be on to the next one. So now we're going to be making our next 2 canapes. So we've got some smoked salmon. I love smoked salmon. This is actually a vodka cured smoked salmon. And you just want to take a little piece here, and then I've got some herb goat's cheese, so some chevre. And we're just going to roll this up like a little bundle. And you're probably thinking, okay, what's so great about this? Well, you're going to put it onto a cucumber surfboard, like so. And then I have some fresh herbs, roasted garlic, and scallions that I've been infusing in olive oil for about 2 weeks. This tastes incredible. I also added in some dried thyme just to sort of elongate the flavors. So this is gonna be the drizzle, and it just boom, sets off all the flavors, and that vodka cured smoked salmon is fantastic. Next, this guy. This is so simple and so delicious, you're just gonna be like, wow, why didn't I do this before? So I've got some beautiful Italian prosciutto. Then I have some light feta cheese, and I'm just gonna roll the cube and then add it onto a skewer, like so, and then a piece of watermelon. So then we've got our pesto mayo. This is equal parts of basil, oregano, and thyme, fresh from my garden with a little bit of mayo. You just want it so it's nice and green, so it almost looks like a pesto, but with that mayo, it gives it a little bit of kick, and that's gonna be the drizzle for those skewers. We're gonna come back for the big reveal and one amazing cocktail. Well's great on its own, but it's also amazing on a beach. So this is our Wellness Beach cocktail. with a little bit of coconut rum. I'm gonna top it off with some well, just halfway, and then I've got some grilled pineapple. This may not look like much, but it just builds such beautiful flavors and aromas. So I'm just gonna tuck that guy in there and top it up. Now as you're drinking, more and more of the pineapple and the charred flavor of that is gonna go into your cocktail. So check us out at SIP Niagara, where we've got Yoga Vine Yoga Studios, we've got live kombucha, spiritless gin cocktails, and of course, well RTDs and juices. See you at SIP Niagara.